In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable domain privacy protection in Hostinger. If you want to control whether your personal domain registration details are hidden or visible, Hostinger makes that process very simple. Domain privacy protection is a feature that helps keep your registration information private, which can be useful for reducing spam and protecting your personal details. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to switch it on or off. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign into your dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a moment to make sure you're on the main account area where you can see your hosting and domain options. This is where you'll manage the settings connected to your domain. Next, click on Domains. This section contains all the domain names connected to your Hostinger account. If you have more than one domain, look carefully and choose the one you want to update. It's always a good idea to double-check that you're selecting the correct domain before making any changes, especially if you manage multiple websites. After that, click Manage for the domain you want to work with. This will open the Domain Management page, where you can adjust settings related to your domain registration and features. You may see several options on this page, so don't worry if it looks a little busy at first. On the right side, you'll see the Privacy Protection option. This is the setting you need. From here, you can simply toggle it on or off, depending on what you want. If you want to keep your domain registration information more private, turn it on. If for some reason you want that protection disabled, toggle it off instead. After switching the setting, give the page a moment in case it needs to update. In some cases, changes may not appear instantly everywhere, so just be patient if you don't see an immediate result. Also, remember that privacy protection availability can depend on the type of domain extension you're using, so some domains may behave a little differently. And that's it. That's how to enable or disable domain privacy protection in Hostinger. As you can see, the process is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. If you found this helpful, make sure to follow along for more simple Hostinger tutorials.